Hey there, students. This is Casey Lawrence, one of the current administrators at East Coast Christian University. And today I'm going to show you some tips on how to check your course assignments, especially how to use the assignments tool. To find the assignments tool, you're going to go to your student module. It's located here on the left, right below the pending surveys window. Right down here where it says upcoming assignments, it'll show you those assignments that are still open over the next 4 weeks. If I click on the assignments button itself, it'll also show any assignments that have been completed or still open from the last 8 weeks as well. You can see that there's a number 5 here at the top, which is highlighting the 5 assignments down here that have not been completed yet. There's 3 quizzes, a paper, and one that says instructor discretion. Now, what instructor discretion is it is the grading point for your class participation. This is something that the instructor does on their own, and this is not something that you actually have a part in filling out. You can see if I click it, there's nothing for me to do. That's because your class participation is based on the group chat and what you do in class. So this isn't something the instructor will fill in and you don't have to worry about doing on CampusSis. If you click on the quiz, it'll open up right here. You can actually take it right from the assignments tool, as well as upload your paper. When it comes to making sure that you're done with an assignment like a paper or an essay, once you upload it, you can click refresh, and as long as you see this, that you've uploaded a document, you know that you're good to go. That means the system has accepted it and your instructor will be able to see it. If you don't see anything here after you've hit refresh, you're going to want to try again because your instructor likely has not received your essay. Now, an essay is something that the instructor will also grade themselves, and you can see that even though I submitted something, it didn't make this assignment here green. That's because it still hasn't been graded yet. But as long as you've submitted something and you can see it, then you know you've taken care of that assignment and you're free to move on. If you want to make sure that you haven't missed anything, the best thing for you to do is to go inside the course itself and to take a look at the syllabus. The syllabus will show you all assignments that are required of you, and they'll provide directions for how to complete those assignments in the best way. Finally, if you have questions about how assignments should be done, don't hesitate to contact your instructor. They would be more than happy to explain what they're looking for, and if you know exactly what they're looking for, it takes a lot more stress off you as a student. So again, that's how to use the assignments tool. You can also fulfill your assignments within the course itself. The assignments tool is just a great little window to show you exactly what you're missing. You can use the syllabus, and do not hesitate to contact your instructor. Hope that was helpful, and I hope you all have a great day.